Hey, in this episode of Prepare to Survive, we're going to talk about the new EcoFlow Delta Pro solar generator, and I'm going to show you how you can purchase it at a big discount. So stick around. Hey, the purpose of this video is not to discuss the functionality of the new EcoFlow Delta Pro solar generator, but it's to show you how you can purchase it at a deep discount. So assuming you've already researched it and you want to know how to get it at a sale price, I'm going to show you how in just a moment. But in case you're new to EcoFlow and their products, here's a quick overview. EcoFlow has been around for several years now, and they've developed several smaller type solar systems for home use and emergency use. But they recently announced a new ecosystem that includes a solar generator, additional batteries, a gas-operated generator, brand new solar panels, a smart home panel that allows you to connect this system to your home, as well as other accessories. Now, I'm new to solar energy, but I've been researching solar for a little while now, and I can tell you, in my opinion, this is the best system on the market to date because of the technology they're using, the features that they're providing. It's by far superior than any other product on the market. Now, if you want to learn more, there's going to be links down in the description below so you can go and check it out and see all the features and learn more about it. But if you're interested in making a purchase, here's how you can do it. Because this is a brand new system, it's being advertised on Kickstarter. Kickstarter is a platform that allows investors or backers to provide money to companies who are in the process of developing a new product. Now, making an investment like this, there's a small amount of risk, but with EcoFlow, they've already ran a couple of campaigns that were very successful, and they followed through on their promises. Okay, so here's how you can get started. If you click the link in the description below, it's going to take you to Kickstarter. Once you get to Kickstarter, you come over here and you hit search, and you just type in EcoFlow. The results are going to be all the campaigns that EcoFlow has had over here on Kickstarter. Two of these campaigns are expired. They're campaigns that they successfully ran a couple of years ago. This is the one you want right now. You click on that one, and it's going to bring you to the campaign page. Now, how Kickstarter works, it allows investors or individual backers to pledge money to a company so it helps them have the funding they need in order to bring these products to market. And in doing so, they promise to send you something in return. If you're new about this solar generator, first of all, I encourage you to scroll through this page and look at all the great information that they have about the generator itself, the additional batteries. They've got videos for demonstrating the products. Just a lot of information about all the different accessories that they have. There's a smart home panel, different charging methods. You keep scrolling down through here, just a lot of data and technical information. There's the solar panel. That's an amazing solar panel. It's one of the largest available on the market. It's a 400-watt portable solar panel that folds up. It's very efficient, just an outstanding panel. But you keep scrolling, and the page is quite long as you go through and research and see all the information that's here. Now, assuming that you've already done your research and you just want to learn how to purchase this at a discounted price, scroll back up to the top. First of all, at the time that this video was recorded, they had a pledge goal of $100,000, but so far they've collected almost $6 million from 633 people. Now, you need to understand that this is a limited time offer deal, and this campaign closes at the time of this video. It's 45 days. Now, if you want to see what kind of deals are available and how much money you're going to spend that you can save, if you scroll down, you're going to see this additional side panel over here that's got its own little scroll bar. This is where you're at. This is where you want to be, so you can scroll through, and they're going to describe and tell you which of these products you can purchase and what the price is. For instance, you scroll down right here, and it shows that you can buy the smaller generator, which is the EcoFlow Delta Max, and you can get it at 19% off retail price. If you scroll down a little bit further, it'll tell you how many people have purchased it and if there's any limitations on how many they're selling at that price. Here's the larger one. This is the Delta Pro. You can currently get this one at 25% off. That's an amazing price to be able to purchase That's an amazing price to be able to purchase one of the best portable solar generators that's available on the market. And you can see 159 people have already selected that package. You scroll on down, here's the same product, but this one is only at 17% off. And people have already purchased that one as well. This package includes the solar generator as well as one solar panel, and you can get it at 20% off. This is the one that I purchased, 38% off. Okay, that's a huge discount. In this one, you get the Delta Pro solar generator plus an additional smart battery. And if you look here, you got to hurry because there's only 60 left. They're only selling 400 of these, this package, and there's only 60 left. So if you want 38% off, you're going to have to jump on that one pretty soon. Here's another one, same deal, only this one's only at 17% off. Here you can get the Delta Pro, a solar panel, and the tracking system that the solar panel attaches to that automatically moves with the sun. So that's a good deal there. Here's an all-in-one package where you get one of everything. You get the Delta Pro, you get an extra battery, you get a solar panel, you get one of their smart gas generators, you get the home panel so you can connect it to your home, you get the extra battery, several adapters, cables. So there's several items in that package that you receive. Here are the packages that are gone already. This is the one I got at 44% off. There was a very limited supply in those. There was 102 backers before they shut that one off, and those sold out within just a couple of minutes when they launched the campaign. Excited that I was able to participate in that. So once you determine what package you want, and we're just going to say, we're just going to jump on this one right here as an example. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. Then you're going to select your country and where you're at. And there are shipping fees according to where you're at. For the United States, it's a $60 shipping fee. These units do run almost 100 pounds each. So that would be almost 100 pounds for the Delta Pro as well as 100 pounds for the battery. From there you click continue. Now here it allows you to add some additional items to that particular package. So you got the package that's got the Delta Pro in it for that special price at 25% off. And then if you want to, you know, they have a waterproof rain cover that goes over the Delta Pro you can add. You know, that's at 30% off. They have a remote control, 30% off. Here's the electric vehicle car charger adapter, so you can charge it at car stations. You know, that's there available to you. A few cables, and here's a smart home panel that you can add to your package. So you can scroll down here. Maybe you want a couple of solar panels. You can add those to your package. So if there's anything additional that you want to grab at these great prices, you know, 29% off, 25% off, all you have to do is add it to your pledge. Down here at the bottom, you hit continue. Now here's where you have to log in, or if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. So we're just going to create an account here real quick and click the create account button. So here's your pledge summary. This is saying what you're donating your money for, and this is what you're going to receive at the end of the campaign. From here you type in your credit card information, and you understand that rewards are not guaranteed. So there are some companies out there that falter and they don't produce or they don't send out the products to their backers. EcoFlow has a great track record. They've already ran 2 successful campaigns, and they shipped out everything as promised. There's really it's very, very low risk, and I have no concerns at all with backing this project because of their past track record. But still, you have this disclaimer here that you have to understand that things could go south. Click on that and say, yep, I understand, and then submit the pledge button. Now after you hit that pledge button, it's probably going to take you right back to the Kickstarter homepage. You can always click over here to the right and see, look at your backed pledges. You can click on it, you can go back, you can make adjustments to it, you can cancel it. Now here's one of the best features about this. Your credit card is not charged yet. In fact, your credit card's not going to be charged until the end of the campaign. So at the time of this video, that's 45 days from now. At that point, your credit card gets charged, and shortly thereafter they start sending out these products to all their backers. Now Now, if you have questions about this, on the Kickstarter page, they do have a FAQ section. They post updates as far as how the campaign is going. There's lots of people who have made comments and questions. You can also join the community. I also encourage you to join the Facebook group. They have a special Facebook page just for the launch of this product. It's got, the last time I checked, over 30,000 members participate in that group, where they're sharing information, they're asking questions, getting answers. There's quite a few people on there that already have these as test products. They've been testing them for a few months. They're sharing videos and sharing information about how well these things work. So I highly encourage you to jump over there on the Facebook group and join over there. There's also going to be a link to that in the description below. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful in learning how you can get a Delta Pro and some of their accessories for as much as 38% off. If you enjoy that and you think that you got value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up and help this channel to grow. And if you're interested, I'm going to pop up a couple other videos right here I think you're going to be interested in, and you may want to go check those out. If you do, I'm going to see you over there on the other side. Thanks for watching.